So you're ready to modernize and update your kitchen? At Catani Cabinets, we've moved past old-fashioned kitchen refacing to something we call cabinet renovation. What's the difference? Let us show you. Our approach gives you the fresh, new, modern look you want for a fraction of the cost of replacing, and we do it much faster. With cabinet renovation, you choose to either paint your existing cabinets or replace the existing doors and drawer fronts with new solid wood and modern hardware. We can even resize your new doors to give your cabinets a desirable full overlay European look that hides unsightly face frames. This style is in high demand today. All the time we see kitchen drawers that are difficult to open, crooked, or don't close properly. Our skilled field technicians are experts at making them right, whether it's repairing those drawers or replacing them with high-quality drawer boxes, guides, and glides. Renovation also gives you the flexibility to reimagine your kitchen. You could add a new space-saving spice rack, change a stationary shelf to a rollout, or even turn a lower cabinet into a pull-out garbage or recycling bin. If it makes your kitchen function better, renovation makes it possible. Beautiful floating shelves are also a popular option. Catani Cabinets installs thick, durable, contemporary shelving, and we use high-strength steel rods connected to the house studs for added safety and strength. Today's customers want sleek, under-cabinet or under-shelf lighting. With Catani Cabinets, you won't deal with the cost of rewiring your kitchen. We use the latest lighting technology to integrate lighting into your existing cabinet box, and it's hidden from plain view to highlight your countertops. Another exciting option is to add fully custom complementary cabinetry to your existing space. Studies show the kitchen is the most important room when it comes to your home's value. With our renovation program, you can utilize your kitchen space much more efficiently. One of the most critical steps in your renovation will be the finish and painting process. A lot of companies use inferior products and only use one coat of primer and 1 or 2 coats of paint. That's just not good enough. We do it the right way by hand sanding your doors and drawers and applying the best primer and paints available. We apply 1 coat of primer and 3 coats of lacquer paint. Finally, we add a durable clear coat finish using a commercial sprayer so there aren't any unsightly brush strokes. What really sets us apart is our state-of-the-art finishing. We use a temperature and humidity controlled booth. This gives you the look, quality, and durability that really stands the test of time. When it comes to refacing, a fake wood laminate just doesn't give you that new cabinet look. A job like this can require a painter, a carpenter, a woodshop, and a cabinet supplier. It's a nightmare to coordinate, and that may mean budget and schedule overruns. Catani Cabinets is a one-stop shop with an on-time guarantee. We'll complete your project within 30 days of your cabinet design approval. That means you don't have to coordinate anything, and you'll avoid cost overruns. If you're worried about affordability, Catani Cabinets can finance your project. In fact, most monthly payments are only between $49 and $99 a month. The kitchen really is the most important space in your home, where your friends and family connect and gather to make lifelong memories. So let's get started on making your dream kitchen come true. Getting an estimate is easy. Option 1. Send us up to 5 pictures at different angles of the entire kitchen. Try to show all the doors and drawers. And provide a picture of the inside of one drawer so we can see the back side of the drawer face. We'll have a price to you within 24 hours. Or schedule an in-home or convenient online meeting with a Catani Cabinets estimator to review your options and leave you a bid that's valid for 60 days. Our estimators are available between the hours of 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Just send us an email with 2 dates and times that work for you, and our speedy response team will confirm your appointment. Catani Cabinet Renovation. Don't replace or reface, renovate.